up, YouTube, and welcome back to Will to Be Free. I'm Will.
I'm Be Free.
What's up, Be Free?
Well, hey, you know, we love to do these. First and foremost, we're doing this to have a good time. I hope you're having a good time too, and while we develop this. But we love to do the trivia, and we've done some sports trivia and some TV trivia and some music trivia, and then we just did the fifth grader thing. Are you smarter than a fifth grader? We missed what, 6?
7.
7 out of 60.
And so, and if you don't know, that's as many colors that are in the rainbow.
That's right, and as many continents that there are.
We got that one right.
That's right. So we're gonna get a little serious here, and we're a little intimidated by this one. We're thinking maybe we'll only get half. It has to do with judicial stuff. Yeah, Supreme Court stuff.
It is the. Are you smart enough to pass a Supreme Court quiz?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say no.
Yeah, 50%. If we do better than 50%, I think we're gonna do good.
Okay.
Which is sad that we do better at sports than we're gonna do at this. But who knows?
That just shows you where we're at overall as a country.
I think that's where our country is. Yeah, yep. That's right. 7?
Let it begin.
Because 7, right? Because we were just talking about 7.
How many?
There has to be an unequal amount.
How many justices serve on the Supreme Court?
It's an odd number. I'm saying 7. I'm saying 7.
All right, we'll go with 7.
Oh, 9.
Yeah, we started off.
Great. What are you doing?
We may have the best. We may go defeated on this.
We may go 0. Which landmark case established?
So, I was just gonna say, did you hear about? Do you know who Becky Lynch is?
No.
She's a wrestler for WWE.
Okay. Is she hot? No, that was a rhetorical question.
Anyways, she was on. They were doing Jeopardy.
Okay.
And she was on there, and she missed all 60 questions. She did not get a correct answer for all 60 questions.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's hard to do.
But that's okay.
Which landmark case established the principle of judicial review? Oh boy. This is... Okay, I'm going to say Brown versus Board of Education.
Which landmark case established the principle of judicial review?
Oh. Plessy versus Ferguson, Marbury versus Madison. It's not Roe versus Wade.
I don't know any of these. I know Roe versus Wade. I don't know any of the other ones.
Well, that's the wackiest one. Let's do that one.
All right. Why not?
Plessy. Oh. That's not Plessy. That was very disappointing.
There's 0 for 2. The Supreme Court's decision can only be overturned by presidential veto, congressional legislation.
Oh, man. A subsequent Supreme Court, like on appeal?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Can't the governor for their own state?
Okay. No! It was what I thought.
It was.
That's all right. What is the term length? Oh, it's lifetime.
For a Supreme Court justice?
Yeah, it's lifetime.
Yay!
Lifetime sentence.
What Supreme Court case established the principle of separate but equal?
Oh, God. There's that stupid Plessy thing again. It's not Roe. Dred Scott. Citizens United versus FEC. Shit. Dred Scott goes all the way back. Let's go do Dred Scott. Oh, shit. It's the Plessy one.
I know we should have gone Plessy. Or Sheezy.
We know her.
Who was the first woman
we know.
to serve
She just
on the
died
Supreme
recently.
Court?
She just recently died. Dale O'Connor. Oh, you did what I did last time around.
I did. My bad.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Now I know how you felt. Frustrated. Oh, yeah, we know who that guy is.
It's Kissinger, right?
No, that's not Kissinger.
Who's that?
I don't know. What is the minimum age requirement for a Supreme Court justice? 34.
35.
Do it.
35 is for president.
Shit. Do it.
I think it's 30.
30. Go ahead. Oh, we suck. You suck. Let's go.
I'm going to do a fucking football quiz after this just to
so we can feel better about ourselves.
Better about myself.
How many justices must agree to hear a case for it to be granted? Okay, so there's how many of them? There's 9 of them. So 5. I'm going to say 5. A majority.
Whose idea was this?
Yours.
That's true.
It's a humiliation ritual for our men's club.
Yes. Who nominates Supreme Court justices?
President. No. President.
We are not getting 50%, by the way.
Oh, God. There's still a chance.
We're lucky if
we're only a quarter of the way through.
Yeah.
Which Supreme Court case legalized women's right to terminate a pregnancy? That's Roe versus Wade.
That is. We're on a roll. Just kidding.
Who became the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in 2005? Is that a picture of him?
I don't know.
I'm not. White guy name. So we're looking for a white guy name.
Sonia Sotomayor. Ruth Bader
John
Ginsburg?
Roberts? They have a white guy there. Are they?
It could be.
Are they just put?
All right, here.
Yeah.
What is the name of the written document that explains the reasoning behind the Supreme Court decision?
Let's see the choices. Okay, go back. It's either opinion or verdict, but what?
What is the name of the written document that explains the reasoning behind a Supreme Court decision?
It's either the verdict or the opinion. But it's a decision, so it has to be a verdict.
Okay.
Oh! That's going to be Ruth. There was only one woman there.
Yeah. In the case of a tie vote of the Supreme Court.
How can there be a tie?
Happens?
There's 9 people. Chief Justice. Oh, shit. But how could there be a tie if there's 9?
Oh.
Oh, we know this one. That's easy.
Clarence
No.
Thomas.
Who's Thurgood Marshall?
I don't know. I can't even pass the 5th grade test.
That was a long time ago. Clarence Thomas was fairly recent.
Okay.
So let's do Clarence. Oh! That was definitely not Clarence Thomas in that picture. Sorry.
What is the primary role of the Supreme Court? Creating laws, interpreting laws, enforcing laws,
Interpreting laws. Interpreting laws.
Which case established the right to an attorney for those accused of crime who cannot afford?
I think we'll get this one. No, we won't.
Miranda.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's your Miranda rights.
Okay,
right?
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know, right? Because that didn't say nothing about that. No, if you cannot afford one, an attorney will be appointed to you.
That's part of your Miranda rights.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, okay.
By the way, I only know that rights thing from watching TV. No one's ever said it to me. I've never been in trouble.
What is the name of the written explanation of a Supreme Court decision that does not have the support of a majority of the justices?
Weak ass shit. Is that an answer? Weak ass shit? Okay, so dissenting opinion.
Wait, what? That does not have the support of the majority.
So it's
this one.
Yeah. Oh, fucking. Concurring means it's the same, doesn't it? I concur.
Right. What is the process of questioning a potential Supreme Court justice by the Senate called?
Let's look at it again. What is the process of questioning a potential Supreme Court justice? Okay, I got this.
What is it?
Confirmation hearings.
Okay.
So the confirmation hearing for the one judge that I thought wasn't the Thurgood Marshall, but the other guy, Clarence Thomas. So he was trying to be affirmed, and Anita Hill thing was going on, and there was some sexual harassment situation that was going between them potentially, and so he was getting harassed about it, harangued about it by Congress, and so one side was saying you're not answering the question. And then the other side was saying he is answering the question. So I'm like, man, they're both right. Let me look at the dictionary. And that's how they divided us on that whole situation, because they were both right. Because the first definition is the anticipated answer, or words, and the second one is just a response. So if you ask me what my name is and I go, I still answered your question. I responded to it. So that's how they divide us, by using different definitions of words. All right, let's move forward. Who administers the oath to office to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? President. Ooh. Is it the Speaker of the House?
Read it again.
So who's the dude that stands in front of and says, raise your right arm, your right hand, and blah, 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 and put your hand on the Bible? The oath. Once they're approved. So it's not themselves. It's either the president or the Speaker of the House.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It's either one of those.
I'm saying Speaker of the House.
Let's do it.
You sure?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay, here?
No.
Here?
I don't know.
Let's do here. Let's
okay.
Do this. Yeah! Oh. Woo! Did you know the Speaker of the House is third in line?
For a president?
Yeah.
Did know that.
What is the name?
Because Pelosi was.
Oh man, can you imagine? Can you freaking imagine? What is the name of the Supreme Court's highest appellate jurisdiction?
That's the
highest appellate. So that's appeal. Appellate.
Right.
Appeal jurisdiction. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
I mean, I want to say that because it has the word appellate in it.
Yeah.
Is it that easy?
Maybe.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
It's either this or this.
Yeah, I think that's...
This? We're doing this?
Yeah.
Original jurisdiction. I don't have any idea.
OJ original. Oh, I didn't know that. Did you go back? Did you see that?
So now the other ones wouldn't tell us. So the Supreme Court holds original jurisdiction in cases concerning interstate disputes and matters impacting ambassadors, public ministers, and consuls. The special jurisdiction underscores its role as the high court. Whatever. Okay. We suck. Which Supreme Court case ruled that schools could not segregate students based on race? It's that Brown one against education. It's got to be.
Okay. The other ones we've
Finally, they gave us an easy one.
Know.
How many justices need to agree to make a majority decision in a case? It has to be 5 because there's 9 of them.
If there's 9, there has to be 5. And it's going to say 4. Oh, okay.
All right. That's Judge Judy.
I think it is. What is the term used to describe a written statement by a justice who disagrees with the majority opinion of the court? What is the term used to describe a written statement?
Oh, shit. Concurrence or verdict. I'm going to say concurrence because the last time they misused the word.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
Yep, let's do it.
This time, dissent. They used it right this time. Son of a bitch.
We're going to be lucky if we get 30%.
You're right. The Supreme Court opens with the announcement. What?
Ois, ois, ois.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What the hell?
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. No, all of these are correct. This is an outdated.
I'm going to say all of them are correct.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Stupid heads. What job qualifications does the Constitution require of Supreme Court nominees? What job qualifications? So they have to be a lawyer, right? Boom. They must already be a judge. Oh, ooh, ooh. So it's one of these. Because this one says none. But this or this has to, one of these has to be it. So you must be a lawyer.
Go back up.
So you must be a lawyer to be a judge.
Mm-hmm.
So that covers this, but this is one step up. So they must be a lawyer and a judge already. I'm going to say it's that one.
Let's do it.
None.
They don't even.
You don't even have to be a lawyer.
You don't even have to be a U.S. citizen.
I'm emotional. Damn it.
Go up. I want to see their answer.
In the United States, there are no specific qualifications outlined for the Constitution or in the Constitution for individuals to serve in the Supreme Court. Justices are that is fucking crazy. Are typically appointed based on their legal expertise, experience, and the president's nomination, subject to Senate confirmation.
Okay.
No qualifications.
No qualifications.
That is absolutely incredible.
So as dumb as we are, we could be on the Supreme Court.
We could be nominated. Look, we're not saying, we're just saying that's crazy. You guys think that's crazy? Pontificate down in the comment section. In which case did the Supreme Court establish the warning requirement for criminal suspects? What?
That's got to be the Miranda one.
Oh, that's right.
Yay.
That's the name of your wife.
That is.
That's Clarence Thomas right there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What was the question?
Who is the presiding officer of the Supreme Court when the Chief Justice is unavailable? The House, President Pro Tem of the Senate, the most senior associate justice? No, because you have to make it has to be somebody, and because if that guy's not available, you only have 8. So it has to be somebody outside.
Probably the speaker.
I'm going to say vice president.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it's the speaker, but go ahead.
Rochambeau? 1, 2, 3. Got you.
All right.
Vice president. Oh, we were both wrong. Oh, then that would only be 8.
Lord, help us.
How can a Supreme Court justice be removed from office? By gun, by hook or crook.
Yep. Impeachment by majority vote.
No.
President's order by a vote of the other justices. Okay.
By a vote of the others.
All right. Let's do it.
Oh, that one makes all the sense in the world now, doesn't it?
Yep.
Dude, this is humiliating.
It is. It's pretty bad. I'm not even going to upload this.
Okay. I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay.
Okay, the Supreme Court building is also referred to as the shit house. No?
The zoo, the Senate building, the Marble Palace, the Law Palace, the House on the Hill.
House on the Hill.
It has House on the Hill. Just kidding.
Of course.
It's the Marble
Palace. Yeah. Because they think they're royalty. Suck.
You need to read a book or something.
Which amendment to the U.S. Constitution established the process for electing the president and vice president? Which amendment? Dude, I freaking have no idea.
Go back up. Let me see what it said.
It's asking what amendment.
I don't know why I care. We're going to get it wrong anyway. Go back down.
For electing the president and the vice president.
It's the.
It has to be top 10.
It's
not the first. 12th.
Yeah. No, it's the 4th.
4th?
No, I don't know.
4th or 12th?
12th.
12th?
Yeah.
Yeah! Dude, our deduction powers got strong on that one.
Hey.
In a criminal trial, what is the standard of proof required? Reasonable doubt? No.
In a trial. Hold on. In a trial. What is the standard? Beyond a reasonable doubt.
Got it. That was a good discussion, by the way.
Yeah.
We discussed that one through well. Didn't say shit.
Which case upheld the
What? Which case upheld the internment of Japanese Americans during World War II as constitutional? Which case? That one.
Yeah.
Powers of deduction. That was a Japanese name.
Yes.
What is the term for the power of the Supreme Court to determine the constitutionality of the government actions? What is the term called? Executive privilege, congressional oversight, judicial review. It's this one.
Okay.
Because that's the president. This one?
Yep.
Yes.
25% correct.
Who's that? Is that Anthony Michael Hall? Which justice served the longest term on the Supreme Court, totaling over 36 years? It's either Scalia.
That's not him, though.
It's either Scalia or Rehnquist.
That's not Scalia, though.
That's before us, I think. Never heard that before. So what do you think?
I would just go with Rehnquist then.
Oh, shit. Who has the authority to confirm or reject the president's nomination to a Supreme Court? Speaker of the House. Oh, look, it says who, right? It doesn't say what group, what body. It says who. That's one person right there. Everything else is a group of people. But I guess that could be who,
It could still be who.
Yeah, you're right. Oh! It's the House Senate.
Okay.
Yes. Constitution says that justices may serve nude as long as they maintain
For
good behavior.
life.
For life.
For life.
Boom. Look out.
Just kidding. As long as they maintain good behavior.
What? What's good behavior? Oh, dude. You know what? I thought I would have bet $1,000 on that one. What is the term for a case in which the Supreme Court reviews the decision of a lower court?
That's, yeah.
Fucking, we're learning along the way.
There's not much going on in here.
Which of the following is not a power of the Supreme Court? Whoa.
Hmm.
Wow. Which one are they not? They're not supposed to do? Because they do that, right? I've heard them do that, and that's the number one thing that they're doing, and that's like the number two thing they're doing. And when they make decisions that are the first time decisions, they're setting illegal precedents. Holy crap, dude! Which is the most least likely? Is your brain dead right now?
Totally.
Oh man.
Totally.
Oh, okay. Then just knee jerk it. Point at one. Which one?
I'm not even gonna. I'm just.
Okay.
I didn't even hit one.
Okay. They're not supposed to enforce federal laws? What? We got it right. Before walking into the courtroom to hear a case, what did the justice do as a group? They hail Satan.
Yes.
Like the cast and crew of Friends.
They
wish each other well.
They
touch the frame of a portrait of the first. I think they do that. Because they're praying. No, man, there's some godless fools on there.
Yeah.
It's this one right here.
Yep.
Let's shake hands.
Jerk each other off. Oh.
Hey, dude.
Oh!
What, are they allowed to high five? Oh, dude, we sucked.
We were just under 50%.
We were just under 50%.
I'm surprised we got 19 right.
Wow.
Oh,
we were really close. We were really close to what we thought we'd get.
Yeah.
We were only one away.
That's a win.
So we knew how stupid we were.
That's true.
So go ahead and insult us. It won't
Please
hurt
do.
us. And I bet, did you guys do better? Come on, man. I don't think you did. All right. Oh, no. Your performance was not great, but there's room for improvement. Wait, but there is? No, it's already established by saying that it wasn't great. Consider revisiting the basics of Supreme Court facts. I hated this quiz.
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
But you know what? It points out a very important thing. There's a lot of people blustering out there that don't know what the hell they're talking about.
Yeah. Me.
Yep, that's it right there. But
I'm just stupid.
But it's not just us. It's you too. It's everybody, and we all need to lean more into learning more before we start knee jerking and being all emotional. So, as a very wise artist once said, "Don't believe the hype." Boom.
What was that?
Was that Chuck D or something like that? Or Dre?
Oh yeah, Chuck D or Flavor Flav.
Was it Flavor Flav?
No, maybe one of them. It's Public Enemy.
Yeah,
Public Enemy.
Wow. I think we could do better at doing hip hop trivia than we could doing for Supreme Court.
I think we would do better at naming Taylor Swift songs.
Dude, you're absolutely. I think we would. That's horrible. So hey, again, we all need to pay attention more about the mechanisms that run our nation, especially if we're passionate about criticizing it. And remember, if you're too rigid in your thinking or you're hopeless or whatever, and you don't want to look at things or you don't want to laugh, just remember, if you need the will to be free, we got it, brother.
That's right. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Peace
two
out.
Stupid idiots.
Yeah.
What a dumb fucking quiz.